everyone. I'm going to talk about the herbs that I'm growing in a medicinal fashion. Oh, first one I'm going to do today is on borage. So, this is what the plant looks like. And everything on this is edible. It's used in salads, and it's also used, the oil from the seed is used for treatment of premenstrual complaints, rheumatoid problems like arthritis, eczema, and other chronic skin conditions. Now, this is out of the Encyclopedia of Herbal Medicine by Andrew Chevalier. But let's go into what WebMD says about this. And I'm going to play the speech text thing so it can pronounce all those big words for me.
Borage Overview. Borage is a plant. Its flowers and leaves, as well as the oil from its seeds, are used as medicine. Borage seed oil is used for skin disorders including eczema, atopic dermatitis, red, itchy rash on the scalp, seborrheic dermatitis, and a type of skin condition called neurodermatitis. It is also used for rheumatoid arthritis, raw, swelling of the gums, stress, premenstrual syndrome, PMS, diabetes, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, acute respiratory distress syndrome, ARDS, alcoholism, pain and swelling, asthma, and for preventing heart disease and stroke. Borage oil is sometimes added to infant formula in small amounts to provide fatty acids needed to promote development of preterm infants. Borage flower and leaves are used for fever, cough, and depression. Borage is also used for a hormone problem called adrenal insufficiency, for blood purification, to increase urine flow, to prevent inflammation of the lungs, as a sedative, and to promote sweating. Borage is also used to increase breast milk production and to treat bronchitis and colds. Borage is applied to the skin for red, itchy rash on the scalp of infants, seborrheic dermatitis, and is also used in a dressing to soften the skin. In foods, borage is eaten in salads and soups. In manufacturing, borage is used in skincare products. How does it work? Borage seed oil contains a fatty acid called gamma-linolenic acid, GLA. GLA seems to have anti-inflammatory effects. Borage flower might have an antioxidant effect.
Okay, so you can see it's used in medicines. And let's click the Uses tab. So let's go ahead and read that one off.
Borage uses and effectiveness. Possibly effective for 1. Improving the function of the lungs in critically ill patients. There is some evidence that borage seed oil, when taken by mouth in combination with icosapentaenoic acid (EPA), might reduce the number of days spent in the intensive care unit (ICU) and the length of time a breathing machine is needed by patients with acute respiratory distress syndrome (ARDS). 2. Growth and development in premature infants. Infant formula supplemented with fatty acids from borage oil and fish oil seems to improve growth and development of the nervous system in infants born early, especially boys. 3. Rheumatoid arthritis, RA. There is some evidence that taking borage seed oil in combination with conventional pain-killing or anti-inflammatory medications might help decrease symptoms of RA after 6 weeks of treatment. The improvement appears to last for up to 24 weeks. Improvement is measured as a decrease in the number and severity of tender and swollen joints. Possibly ineffective for 1. Itchy, red skin, eczema. Taking borage seed oil by mouth does not seem to improve eczema in adults or children. Insufficient evidence for 1. Asthma. Early research suggests that taking borage oil daily for 12 months does not improve asthma symptoms. 2. 3. A dental condition called periodontitis. Early research suggests that taking borage oil daily for 12 weeks improves gum inflammation but does not reduce plaque in people with periodontitis. 4. A skin condition in infants called seborrheic dermatitis. There is some evidence that topical application of borage seed oil might be helpful for infantile seborrheic dermatitis, a condition that causes a red, itchy rash on the scalp. It seems to heal the condition within 1 to 3 weeks. 5. premenstrual syndrome, PMS. 6. Diabetes. 7. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD. 8. Alcoholism. 9. Heart disease. 12. Cough. 13. Depression. 14. Dry skin. 15. Arthritis. 16. Pain relief. 17. Inflamed veins, phlebitis. 18. Menopausal disorders. 19. Fluid retention. More evidence is needed to rate the effectiveness of borage for these uses.
Okay, so they say that about almost every herbal medicine that you could actually, use effectively. And of course, this comes from WebMD, and anything that's said here or on this video, you should consult your physician first before any use or any other thing, the medical disclaimer. There is some possibly side effects, but it doesn't seem to be much. Let's just go ahead. Borage seed oil is possibly safe when taken by mouth or applied to the skin inappropriately. Borage seed oil is likely unsafe when products containing a dangerous chemical called PAs are taken by mouth. Borage plant parts, include the leaf, flower, and seed, can contain PAs. PAs can damage the liver or cause cancer, especially when used in high doses for a long time. Only use products that are certified and labeled PA free. So, that's our overview on borage. This is what the plant looks like. Now, I'm just going to say one thing. We always seem to have some issues going down. Like when the bug arrived, they had a shortage of medicine being imported from China. So not only I'm going to grow these in my front yard, so I got some nice looking flowers out there, but it can be eaten and as a food source, and it can be used as an herbal medicine remedy. However, check with your doctor. Now I'm going to be doing more on every herb that I'm growing, and the reason why I'm growing them is particularly for some type of medicinal purpose. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you watch the rest of my series on this stuff. And I thank you for stopping by. If you would, hit the like button, ring the bell, and make a comment. Thank you. God bless.